Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at Canva video transitions, like how to add them, how to edit them. So go ahead and open up your video that you want to edit with transitions and you can follow along with me. So you can see I've got like 3 different videos here. So without a transition, it can be quite clunky. So it just like swaps the page over. But if we add a transition, it can make the video a lot more smoother and professional looking. So to add the transitions, all I need to do is hover my mouse between the 2 videos. You can see the words add transition pops up. I'm going to click on that. Then you have different options for the transitions. So you have like circle wipe, color wipe, dissolve, flow, stack, chop. So some of them are more obvious and some of them are more smooth. I quite like this match and move one. So if I add that and let's play the video, you can see how smooth it transitions. So it just sort of blends together. So if I don't like that one, I can click on that to change the transition. So something a bit more obvious is the color wipe or the line wipe, the slide, dissolve, things like that. So I can click maybe on the dissolve one, and you can also play around with the duration. Do you want it to be a bit longer of a transition or a little bit smaller and lighter, not so obvious? So let's have a look at what this one looks like. There you go. And I can go ahead and add in a transition for the other videos as well. So if I just hover my mouse in there, I can add a transition. So you can add the same ones or add something completely different. Let's have a look at this chop one. So you can see that's a bit more obvious, but still a nice transition, making the video look professional. So that's it for today. That's how to add transitions to videos in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.